Well, hello, this is Rose RCG Creations. How are you doing? Bringing to you today an Azure Haul. Here in Texas, I had to pick, the truck arrived at 10 o'clock. It's already 85 degrees. I was sitting there, the heat in the parking lot unloading the truck. Drip, 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 drip. I'm a tired puppy. Anyways, let's get to see what the goodies we ordered. And we ordered some different stuff. I haven't ordered before, but I'm going to try it out. Okay. Of course, they give you the little flyer. This is something new. Let's move that over. It's non-GMO bee pollen. And bee pollen can be taken by the spoonful and mixed into foods such as yogurt, granola, or smoothies. This is a great way for you to boost your immune system. And nowadays, with also many allergies all over the place, it's good to have this on hand. So I'm going to try it and see what me and hubby notice a difference. And I also like the fact that it's non-GMO. See that? Non-GMO. So we'll take a look at that. And I only ordered a small one just to see. I'm really going to enjoy this as a sifter, but the reason it's different, the one that I have now is you squeeze it, but with my wrist issues and my hand issues from my car wreck, it's very, very painful. So I went ahead and ordered this one. You can buy them pretty much at a lot of those big multi stores, the great big ones that have household and grocery items. But since it was already from Azure anyway, and I actually used some of my Azure cash. The reason I got it is because I can sift my flour by turning it. This is something I can handle. So that is why I ordered this one. And it does say stainless steel rotary sifter, so I don't want it won't get all rusty on me. And since we do a lot of pizzas, let me just get this box out of the way so I can get to the other box. Move that out of the way. I got a double roller, two-ended roller. Because you know when you're doing your pizza and you got that big old rolling pin, you can't roll it all out on your pizza pan because the lip of the pizza pan gets in the way. And I'm going to try my hand on making some, I love, and so does hubby, love my made from scratch pies. Because I make a bunch, like four to six of them, and I freeze them. Then I take them out the night before, so they thaw out, and then I'm ready to make pie the next day. Okay, but what this is nice is this gets inside the grooves, just like the picture shows. See that? It goes right in the grooves of inside your pan of whatever it is that you're making. So you can actually just roll it out. And the fact that it's got two different sizes, this is great for pizza. And this is great for the little pie pans. So this is going to be double duty. And this is called a pastry/pizza roller. The perfect 2-in-1 tool for pie, cookie, and pizza dough. It does the large one, this big one is 4.125 inches. The small one is 2.5 inches in roller fills in edges. Okay, wait a minute. The small is 2.5 roller fills in edges. Recipe and instructions are on the back. There's nothing much instructions that you need. Oh, there is a recipe here to make whole wheat pizza dough. So let me put that in there for you. For those who may want a recipe, but I've already got pizza dough. You need to double check my video. I'll put a link on my video for pizza. The pizza recipe, it's not my recipe, I got it from somebody else. It's fantastic. It is so good. And I'm constantly freezing my pizza. Oh, this is made from Norpro. There's the name, Norpro. But my pizza dough is fantastic. I actually gave some to our contractor that's working on the house, and he really enjoyed it. His boys enjoyed it too. He's got elementary age boys, so if kids that age like it, it's a good one. This next one is plants. I'm getting ready to start my garden. I'm starting off small because it's just me. I know hubby will help me a little bit, but so most of these plants were anywhere from $3.95 to $4.50 per plant, depending on what it was. So I'm starting off, and I got myself, what is this one? Anaheim chili. So, oh look, it's already got the little bloom. You see that little flower right there? So it's got a bloom there. So hubby loves spicy. I like a little spicy, but with us having our own chilies, we'll be able to make our own hot sauce. This one, oh, there's a little baby strawberry already there. It's a strawberry. But let's see. Let me take this out of here. Let me put this back over here. And look, I already got myself a little baby strawberry. See that? I got a baby strawberry already. I'm not going to taste it yet because I want to wait. I want to wait for hubby to get here. He's at work. These are some bunching onions. And these you're able to order the size and the quality that you want. So you stay within your budget or whatever room that you have. I have gotten some of those, they're made out of some kind of canvas and they're portable plant pots. They're not a big plastic heavy duty one, but I got this because of my back issues and my knee issues. I can't bend over and do a lot of that, so I'm going to put these on our back patio table, which we never use. And there's where I'm going to store all my goodies. And I got this netting with a little tarp, PVC pipe thing on there, so I can put over that. That way the birds and the squirrels, and we have possums and we have raccoons. Hopefully that'll keep them away from that. Because the strawberry was the only one I'm going to be like, oh, the rest of these I think are herbs. Hot habaneros. So a hot habanero pepper plant. Okay, well, my Walla Walla onions. Put a link to Becky. Becky from Acre Homestead is the one that introduced me to Walla Walla onions, and I want to try it here. So she's up north, like in Seattle, something like that. And I want to see if I can grow these Walla Walla here in Texas. So I only ordered one little stack of them, just to be on the safe side. But they're great big onions, and I love me some onions. This is the last of it. This one is a jalapeno pepper. So as you can see, I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I've only got 6 plants. So I have myself something to start with. And, oh, I forgot I got some cold stuff. I forgot I had it in the fridge because I had to wait and put this in the fridge. And grab that. Sorry about that, guys. I know dead space is not that great, and it's a little bit of a headache. I'm coming. I got the last part here. Because I'm sitting there thinking, I know I ordered more stuff than that. So I wanted to say, where is it? Where is it? But in my personal opinion, this is just me, Rosa. This brand, they make it in salted and unsalted, is the best butter ever. If you want some really great flavored pastries, pies, cookies, try this brand. You'll really like it. So I ordered that. Sorry about that. That's my phone. Got my alarm going. I ordered, say, 2 batches of 3. I wanted more, but I had to stay within my budget. So I put everything in my cart, and then I saw the price, and I go, ouch! So I had to go delete. And because we're pizza lovers and we love our Parmesan cheese, I ordered 2 of these Parmesan wedges. This is California Premium Parmesan cheese, and one of these will last us a good month. So we grind our own cheese here in our home with our KitchenAid mixer. And oh, this is the same brand. I didn't realize the butter was the same brand. Now they have different flavors, salted, unsalted. This is the sea salted butter. You don't have to get the sea salt. There's different ones. Check the website. But this one is Rumunio. I think I'm butchering that name. California crafted smoked cheddar cheese. And hubby and I love our cheese, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these in slices. That's enough for us. And I'm going to vacuum pack these into little individual slices, stick them all in the freezer, and then, of course, label your bag before you put your food inside. Label your bag, date it, stick it in the freezer. So this is going to last me, I know, at least 6 to 8 months for sure. And so it costs like $18, $20, depends on the kind of cheese when you get these big blocks, but these big blocks are great for long-term storage, so you always have it on hand. You don't have to worry about running out. And I just saw this. I wanted to try something different. Not for me. This is for hubby. So, drink as God intended. Naked, no artificial, dyes, colors, or sweeteners. This is 100% honey sweetened, sweet apple, caffeine-free soda alternative. It's called Naked Chicks Pasture. It's a drink. So I wanted hubby to try this. I only ordered one because, and Azure, you only order once a month. So if he likes this formula, I will definitely order him a whole lot more. They used to sell this concentrated juice because he drinks water all day long at work because he works in a warehouse. So he's always hot, and this is Texas. So he has water all day long. So when he gets home, he'd like to be able to have a soft drink or something carbonated, but we're trying to stay away from a lot of the sugar and a lot of the sodas, so we're cutting back on all that, and I figured this was a good alternative. So of course I'll take a swig, but I'm going to wait and let him open it, so when he gets here, and I'll put it at the end of the video because I won't edit this until later tonight, so I'm sure he'll take a taste of it today, and I'll put a little pop-up of what he thinks of the flavor of it. But it's 100% honey sweetened, sweet apple, caffeine-free soda alternative. It's just a soda drink. Calories are 100, 1 can. Contains 10% honey, 0 total fat, 0 sodium, 26 carbs. Sugar from honey, 25 grams. Includes 25 grams added sugar, 50% from honey. Protein, 0 grams. So I thought that was pretty good. And then this is the brand, and then we'll see if he likes it. If he does, we'll order some more. Alrighty, so this is my take. Let me get my stuff ready for my little thumbnail. Let me put my little, so people know what that is. My little Azure order. We thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. Take care. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.